move different now. Purpose in my steps, peace in my breath. I don't rush, I don't force, I align, then I move. Every step got meaning, every word tell the truth. I've been quiet, I've been listening, now I'm answering the call. When the ego falls silent, that's when heaven talks. I don't speak just to be heard, I speak life into the room. Every message is a seed, every seed about to bloom. I was chosen not by chance, I was shaped in the fire. When I move from the hurt, I become the one. I'm here to change lives, I'm here to serve life. Heart-driven leader, aligning with the Most High. I don't carry the weight, I let Spirit decide. I'm a vessel, I'm ready, I let truth flow through my mind. Oh, I prepare with devotion, I practice with grace. When I step in my purpose, I don't question my place. Pressure don't break me, it just make me precise. Calm in the chaos, I see clear in the night. I ain't chasing applause, I'm devoted to impact. When a heart leads the way, everything else snaps back. I don't need to pretend, I don't need to control. When I empty myself, that's when power unfolds. I'm here to change lives, I'm here to serve life. Heart-driven leader, aligning with the Most High. I don't force the moment, I let truth decide. I'm a vessel, I'm ready, I let love be my guide. Not my will, but the will that moves stars. I speak, and something greater speaks through me. I'm here to change lives, I'm here to restore. When I'm moving on, heaven opens a door. Every step is ordained, every word sanctified. I'm a vessel, I'm willing, I walk with the Most High.